Hi there, team members. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of management of change, or MOC for short. It's all about keeping things safe, especially in places like drilling sites, oil and gas processing plants. MOC is like a set of guidelines to help us navigate changes safely. It helps us avoid accidents and keep everyone safe. So buckle up as we explore the amazing world of MOC.
Welcome to the team, Hana. We take safety seriously here, and that's where MOC comes in. It's how we manage any changes to our processes, equipment, or even our team.
Changes like what?
Anything from installing a new pump to updating a safety procedure. Even something as simple as a new team member joining requires a think about safety using MOC. MOC is all about anticipating problems before they happen. It's about taking a step back, looking at the big picture, and making sure every change is implemented safely and smoothly.
So, how do we know when to use MOC?
Good question. Changes can be big or small. It could be new equipment arriving at the plant or a tweak to a procedure. Replacing an old valve with a new one is a change. Review the safety checklist and ensure all team members wear safety gear. Remove the old valve and install the new different type 1 securely. Test the new valve and check for leaks. Update documentation and place safety signs.
Okay, so we've identified a change. What next?
Now we put on our thinking caps and assess the risks. Does this change introduce new hazards or worsen existing ones?
Safety. Sam pulls out a whiteboard and starts jotting down ideas.
What could potentially go wrong? Could there be leaks? Could it react badly with existing materials? These are the questions we need to ask.
Around the diagram of the chemical storage tank, potential hazards are listed: leaks, reactions, pressure buildup.
By identifying potential hazards early on, we can take steps to mitigate them.
So, once we've identified the risks, can we just go ahead and make the change?
Safety, Sam chuckles.
Not so fast, eager beaver. Every change needs proper authorization. We can't just go around making changes willy-nilly.
He pulls out a thick folder labeled MOC procedures.
We have a system in place. The change needs to be documented, reviewed by experts, and finally, approved by authorized personnel. This ensures that all angles are considered before implementation.
Think of it like getting a building permit. We need to make sure the change is structurally sound and safe before we start building.
Authorization adds a vital layer of oversight to the MOC process. It ensures that all proposed changes are carefully evaluated and approved by those responsible for safety.
Wow, this MOC thing is quite a process. Is there anything else we need to keep in mind?
You bet! Documentation is key. We need to keep a detailed record of every change we make, from the initial assessment to the final implementation.
He gestures towards a wall of neatly organized binders.
These are our MOC files. They contain all the essential information about each change: the what, the why, the how, and the who.
This documentation is crucial for several reasons. It helps us track changes over time, learn from past experiences, and ensures everyone is on the same page.
Thorough documentation provides a valuable record of the MOC process. It helps maintain transparency, facilitates knowledge sharing, and promotes continuous improvement.